Oh, dara mo na ni dyan.
Aja, magliharan mana to.
This is the captain speaking.
Dili speaking, talking lagi.
Now talking. And now you are laughing. This is the captain's wife.
Kita ba kapten kap dili kap po. Kapten dili kap kap.
This is the caregiver.
Meron mir jadi. May gino bano ni Daniela.
These are the
Kuan kana mga amo, sa English amo. Unsa English amo? Unsa English amo?
so in English amo.
Employer.
Employer.
Employer na sila.
Imong kuan di.
And this is the dress code.
Second
This is the dress code. Okay.
The dress code. Dress code.